Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to share some of the latest job openings in Tirupur location. It is from Tamil Nadu. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there are some job openings available from Tirupur based organization. So this company is hiring for the job vacancies for printing machine operator, flexo printing operator, screen printing operator. So these are the job openings available for this organization. And coming to qualification details, 10th, 12th diploma, ITI, and any printing experienced candidates. So these candidates are eligible to apply for all the positions available here, and both freshers and experienced candidates both can apply for this position. And interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number provided here, that is 9655245049. Next, there are some job openings available from RBR Governments Private Limited. So this company is hiring for so many job openings. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job opening for HR and admin manager position, and for this position, they are requiring for experienced professionals. So, coming to responsibilities, you need to take care of HR, admin, and compliance department. So, they are going to provide hostel and canteen facilities for the candidates, and these are the address details provided here. You can check with these ones. Interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided email ID, that is hrm@rbrindia.com, or else you can approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information. The number is 9626244609. Next, there is a job opening for factory manager from RBR Garments Private Limited. So for this, experience will be 15 years of experience is needed in knitted garments. So they are going to provide hostel and canteen facilities for the candidates who are going to apply for this position. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided email ID, or else you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9626244609 for further details. Next, there is a job opening for documentation manager position from the same company, RBR Governments Private Limited. So they need experienced candidates for this position, and they are going to provide hostel and canteen facilities for the candidates. And coming to responsibilities, you need to take care of export and import documentation work, and it is related to garment industry. So these are the address details. You can check with these ones, and you can also send your resume to the provided email ID. And interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9626244609. Next, there is a job opening for purchase and store manager position from RBR Governments Private Limited. So they need experienced candidates. So you should have experience in governments. So they are going to provide hostel and canteen facilities for the candidates for this position. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9626244609, or else you can send your resume to the provided email ID, that is hrm@rbrindia.com, and these are the address details. You can check with these ones. Next, there is a job opening for purchase and store in charge position from the same company, RBR Garments Private Limited. And for this job position also, you should be having same experience details and the skills. All are same, and interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9626244609, or else you can send your resume to the provided email ID, and they are going to offer hostel and canteen facilities for this position. Next, there is a job opening for production supervisor position from RBR Governments Private Limited, and you should have 2 years of experience in governments. So, interested candidates, you can check with all the details provided here, and we have provided here the contact number and email ID. You can check with these ones, and these are the address details. You can go through it once. Next, there is a job opening for government QC position from RBR Governments Private Limited. So they are looking for 2 years of experienced candidates in governments, and they are going to offer facilities like hostel and canteen facilities. So for the candidates, interested candidates, you can check with the contact number and email ID provided here. You can approach them with the given address details. Next, there is a job opening for designer for sportswear position. So this is the job position. It is from RBR Governments Private Limited. So you should have adequate experience in this field to apply for this position, and they are going to provide hostel and canteen facilities for the candidates. And we have provided here the contact number, email ID, and address details. You can go through it once. Next, there are some job vacancies available from Prenera company. So this company is hiring for the three job vacancies like sales executive, digital marketing, and data entry operator. So these are the job vacancies are available from this company Prenera. So interested candidates, for more detailed information, you can approach them with the given phone number, or else you can send your resume to the provided email ID. The number is 9786473999, and the email ID is hr@preneraservices.com. Next, there is a job opening for RBB branch operations manager position from HDFC Bank. So it is located in Tirupur location, Tamil Nadu. So coming to job description, monthly verification of gold packets for gold loan, and monitoring utility bill payments for the branch, monitor and update 1 crore transaction in portal, and tallying monitoring of suspense account at branch on daily basis, monitoring activation of dormant account for branch as per process. So this is about the job description, and for more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can check in the website link provided here, and you can also apply using the website link provided here, and you will get a more detailed information through this website link. Next, there is a job opening for collection associate recovery position from HDB Financial Services Limited. It is located in Tirupur, Tamil Nadu. So this is about the job description. You can check with the information provided here, and you can also check in the website link provided here for more detailed information about this job vacancy. Next, there is a job opening for collection associate position cross sell. So it is from HDB Financial Services Limited, located in Tirupur, Tamil Nadu. Coming to roles and responsibilities, and you should be responsible for collection efficiency and timely manner, and you should be responsible for effective cost management, understanding and managing healthy portfolio. So these are the roles and responsibilities. You can check here once, and you can also check in the website link provided here for the details about this job vacancy. Next, there is a job opening for collection associate position from HDB Financial Services Limited. So it is located in Tirupur, and they are going to offer a salary range between 2 lakhs to 2,50,000 rupees per annum. Coming to roles and responsibilities, you should be responsible for collection efficiency and timely manner, and responsible for effective cost management, understanding and managing healthy portfolio, and you should have good communication and educational background, high level of self-drive or enthusiasm. So you can check with the all the details provided here, and interested candidates, for more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can check in the website link provided here. Next, there is a job opening for executive gold loans position from HDB Financial Services Limited. So it is located in Tirupur, Tamil Nadu. Coming to job description, key functions will be coordinate with the branch sales team and support BSN, SMS for lead conversion telecalling or follow-ups on leads given by sales team, and corporate office coordinate customer walk-in branch. So you have to explain product details to customers and suggest scheme based on need analysis, conduct self gold valuation, and inform gold loan amount. So these are the some of the functions, key functions provided here. You can check with these ones, and for more detailed information, I mean salary details and application procedure, and all the details provided in the website link, that is https:// careers.hdbfs.com/. So this is the website link, official website link. You can browse in the website link provided here for more detailed information for this job vacancy. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.